The benefits associated with consuming water with lemon. 1. Hydration. Lemon water is a refreshing and flavorful way to increase your daily water intake. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining bodily functions, supporting digestion, and promoting healthy skin. 2. Vitamin C. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, helps the body produce collagen for skin health, and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. 3. Digestive Aid. Lemon water may stimulate digestion by promoting the production of digestive juices and bile. It's often consumed in the morning as a gentle way to kickstart digestion for the day. 4. Alkalizing Effects. Despite being acidic in nature, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body. This can help balance the body's pH levels, which is important for overall health. Ingredients: water, lemon. Drink 1 glass before bed.